welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And also, if you missed the last video, my name is Lindsey and I paint and make resin art and make all kinds of crafty crafts. So if you have any ideas or suggestions or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I wanted to let you know the type of epoxy resin that I use is KS Resin Liquid Art Epoxy. It is absolutely amazing. If you would like to try it, I have a code listed below for some awesome savings, so definitely check that out. Okay, so this piece meant a lot because with everything going on in the world, it's important to find your happy place. Wherever that may be, whoever that may be with the social distancing that we have to do, it's important to find joy in the little things. I did want to say too that my thoughts and prayers are with everyone in the world that has been affected by this COVID-19 virus. It's super duper scary, and it's something that we're probably gonna have to live with for a while, and something that's gonna take some getting used to. As long as we continue supporting each other and loving each other, yet staying away from each other in the good way, I think we'll be okay. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna make it. I know for me personally, I knew it was gonna take some getting used to. I mean, going to the stores is different. Going anywhere in public is different. However, we're not going anywhere. We've got little ones, so I'm going to stay put for as long as I can. And we're just gonna wing it. I know with their school situation, I wouldn't have the first clue as to where to start a daily curriculum, but their teachers have been incredible through this whole process. I would help with homework when they'd come home from school and help with their reading and work on our letters and all that good stuff. But as far as having a daily learning plan, I wouldn't even know where to start. So I'm truly grateful for them helping me in turn help the kids. It's also really heartwarming for me to get to spend more time with them. I know a lot of parents were freaking out, like, what are we going to do with our kids all day? But the way I see it, you are helping them learn. You are helping them with everything, with their setting up a different routine, doing schoolwork, all this stuff. And it just makes me really happy that I get to see them do that and see them accomplish their goals. And if they need me, I'm always here. So it makes me really happy that I get to spend more time with them. Speaking of kiddos, if y'all hear one in the background, like the last video, there's gonna be noises. There's just nothing I can do about it. All of my fancy recording is done from my phone, so I appreciate y'all bearing with me. Alright, so I'm sure you've noticed in my videos by now, I am a total squirrel when it comes to resin stuff, because you can move it around and play with it, and if you don't like it, you can just scooch it or take it out. It's great. So with this one, the sticker I had got from Michael's, the Silver Moon, I had purchased off Amazon. If you want to try those, they are awesome. You can put them in these, put them in necklaces. It's awesome. In this process, you'll probably see me doing it a lot with the flowers, is I just grab the resin and drop it over the flowers. Sometimes if it's a rose or if it's got a lot of depth in it, I'll put the resin on before, just to prevent some of those big bubbles that you see sometimes. And I always do it in layers. Layer, layer, layer. If you put one layer, let it fully cure, well, not fully cure. You can let it go like 5 or 6 hours before you put another one on there. And then after this one, I'll be adding another layer on there. just so if you're going to add color or glitter or anything like that in the background, it won't seep underneath the flowers that you've already laid down. Another little tidbit that I wanted to add into is the flowers that I get. You can get them anywhere. Walmart, Food City, out of your backyard, front yard, garden, anywhere you like. I always put them in the microwave. I know that sounds really weird, but anytime that I've tried to press them in a book or in between paper, they end up moldy and it's just not pretty. And I've tried hanging them too, but I'm the clumsiest person ever, and I'll either knock them over and break them, and sometimes they're just too thick to put in the resin. So, to use them in the microwave, there is a special thing that you can get from Amazon. It's called a micro fleur thing. I don't know how you say it, but that's purposely used for putting flowers in the microwave and pressing them. But what I do, I think I've seen like one other video on YouTube, and if you guys would like a tutorial on how to do that, just let me know in the comments below. But I will take the flour and squish it in between a few layers of paper towels, put it in the microwave, and do 15-second bursts. And make sure to always have like something to squish them down with, like a plate. And I put a bowl on top of that to prevent fires, because y'all know me, I'm clumsy. I don't want to deal with a fire in the microwave. And not just an empty bowl. Please put water in there. I make no sense sometimes, y'all. I'm sorry. Again, baby YouTuber / not a video editor at all. But I appreciate y'all sticking with me. Y'all are amazing. Anyways, I scrolled again. See, there goes my brain. I am also impatient, so putting them in the microwave and squishing them and drying them that way is just a lot faster for me. So, like I said, if y'all want to try it out, just let me know. If you have any questions, send me a message. Whatever works for y'all. I'm easy peasy, and I'm always going to be here. It's funny, too, because my kids know me so well. Anytime they go outside, they'll pick a flower and be like, "Here, Mommy, you can squish this one in the microwave and use it." And if I come home with flowers, my husband already knows that I'm going to be using up the paper towels and running the microwave forever. It's just a process. They already know this. And before all this, staying at home stuff, when I take the kids to the store, they'll be like, "Mommy, you want to get some flowers?" And I'll be like, "Well, yes, I do. Of course I do." I just can't say no to that. A, they look really pretty in your house. And B, I put them in stuff. So it's a win-win. And remember what I said about that second layer? Well, I kind of forgot to record it. So this is me taking it out after I'd already put a second layer on it. And in that second layer, I put some silver flakes in it, which is what you see sparkling there in the background. In this process, I'm using just a simple, regular nail file to file off any sharp edges or rough spots that there may be. I know some people use a sander, but I'm not comfortable using that. So I'd just rather stick with a nail file to get all the rough spots off. Okay, so here you will be seeing me use a power drill. Luckily, my husband loves me and doesn't care that I use his drill all the time. Well, I'm sure he cares, but he just doesn't say anything. Anyway, I'm using his drill to put these holes in it. And instead of using twine in this one, I wanted to use a piece of chain. And the chain that I get is from Hobby Lobby, but you can get it from Walmart, Michael's, Amazon, anywhere you prefer, it doesn't matter. I really wanted to use the chain with this one because I thought it would look really pretty with the silver moons and the silver flakes in the background. And overall, I'm so excited with how it turned out. It is so pretty. So with all that being said and all my lovely ramblings, I do want to give a big thank you to everyone that has supported me along the way. It means the world to me, and I literally cannot say it enough. And with everything going on right now, I want y'all to know that you can count on me for love and support and just for anything. And always try to find your happy place. Always try to find the joy. I know sometimes it's hard and life is crazy and life is scary at the moment, but whatever you have to do to find the joy and find your safe, happy place, please make sure you get there. I definitely know that it is way easier said than done, but you just have to give yourself those little daily reminders that it is possible. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will be posting every Monday. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, whatever the case may be, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I'm trying to get my little baby YouTube up there. And if you haven't already, you can follow me on social media. I have Facebook and Instagram, all with the handle LindseyLou'sArt. I love you guys. Thank you.